R.A. Akash. I have a question. As a Muslim, can I use websites like ChatGPT? Can I use ChatGPT? Using ChatGPT per se is no problem, as long as you don't involve haram things in it. Like Google, you get good things and bad things. You can learn many things, you can search for the Quran, from the Hadith, you can search for wrong things also on the Google. So similar, ChatGPT somewhat like Google. So using per se is not haram, but using it for haram things is haram. And we have to realize that ChatGPT is a new artificial intelligence technology that has come and is going to grow. So we Muslims cannot be away from it, but we should know how we should utilize it. Sometimes it may be good, sometimes it may be bad. It may take a person closer to Allah and Islam, it may take a person away from Allah and Islam. And you know, today we have social media. There is more haram on the social media, but yet you can use the social media for good purpose also. So as a Muslim, we should train to use the advancement of technology for the good purpose, for your benefit. And there is a very good video that was released recently by One Path Network from Australia, and it interviewed a person by the name of Dr. Waleed. Dr. Waleed, who is an expert in artificial intelligence, and he has made Google involved in development of Google Maps and Uber, etc. And it's a very good interview of about 20 minutes. If time permits, you should watch. And it says what is the new development of AI, artificial intelligence, and how you should benefit from it, how you should be careful about it. And so Muslims should make use of technology, but see to it that they stay on the straight path and utilize it for the good purpose and not for wrong purpose. Hope that answers the question.